Hi guys, showed you I picked up this little pullback toy, Christmas decoration or novelty, but the gear there I would assume has got a split in it because it's not gripping, and it's not gripping on the shaft, so it's not turning when we're trying to wind it backwards. So we'll see if we can get him apart and have a look. One screw up there. There we go, that was easy. Oh gosh, great big split. I'll go and have a look at me box of bits, see if I've got anything like that. Right, that's what I've got to go and have a look for. In case you're wondering, no, it shouldn't have a split up the middle there. There's the original gear, split in it. And that's the replacement that I found. It wasn't perfect. It's got the right number of teeth on it, but it was the wrong thickness. So I've had to carve it a little bit with a knife. That looks like it might work. There's something else in there that's not quite right. It may just be that I've pushed the frame together too much. Seems to be jamming just a little bit occasionally. I suppose I could spray a bit of silicone oil on there, lubricant. The only trouble with putting lubricant on there is it tends to collect the dust then, which causes more problems later. I think I'll just put it back together and see how it goes. This is actually metal. I thought it was plastic. Oh, I've just noticed that's now where that gear is bigger. It's now fouling this plastic. I'm going to have to trim it a bit more with the knife. That's why that one was so much thinner. Right. literally have to get in there and trim it. Yeah, not very effective. But he works. Oh. Well, after quite a bit of effort, he's working. Yeah, so there we go. Santa on a tricycle. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.